First myth that we come across is that good quality percale bedding is expensive and does not last any longer than cheaper bed linen, especially when you all will be working with budgets. Bedding is an area that a lot of people will not spend a lot of money on. And people have this impression that a sheet is a sheet, that it doesn't matter where you buy the sheet from and what the quality of the sheet is, it's still going to last the same amount of time. That is not actually true. Percale, and I will explain the term percale to you just now, can last 3 times longer than, let's call it lower thread count or lower end bedding. And that's an important factor to understand. When you buy bedding for your establishments and for your own homes, something that is going to last 3 times longer but may cost 1.5 times more makes economic sense, makes sense in terms of your purchasing decisions.